Hi everyone, welcome to Jessica's View. Today we're going to be opening up more Disney Doorables Let's Go Around the World mystery packs. So I have opened up a few of these on my channel, and these are honestly one of my favorite collections since the collection is so large. There's 40 to collect and I don't have all of them yet. So let's see what we get today. So inside here we can get 5, 6, or 7. And on the back, here's a look at all the cool characters that we can get. So let's go ahead and start by opening this one up. Okay, let's pull down on this tab and see what we have. So here we have our little luggage pictures. Let's go ahead and open these up. And we have one in here. Let's go ahead and get started opening this one. And who is our first one? Oh, we have Minnie Mouse. Oh, this is one that I do not have. Here's our little Minnie Mouse. Super cute. Let's go ahead and keep going, see who else we get. Let's open up our next little luggage. And who could it be? Maybe it'll be a Mickey Mouse? Is it? It is Mickey Mouse. How cute. That's perfect. We got Minnie and Mickey so far. Let's keep going. Let's see who else is behind this little luggage door. Okay, how many will we get in here? So we have 1, 2, and 3. For a total of 5 in this pack. How cool. And let's take a look. Let's Go camping card right here. And this is our checklist. Keep opening these up. Let's see, who do we have in here? Ooh, we have Pascal. And he's wearing a scarf. He must be going somewhere where it is cold. This is also a new one to my collection. Let's keep opening these. This is our 4th one. Who's that? Whose little feet are these? Oh, it's Chip. And he has a marshmallow right there. Looks like he's ready to roast some marshmallows. And it's time to open our last one from that pack. This one seems quite large. Let's see, who could it be? It's Marie. How cute. I also do not have this one, and I've been wanting this one. How cute. That was an awesome pack. Okay, let's go ahead and set Marie right there by Chip, and we'll go ahead and move this box aside. And it's time to open up our next one. Okay, let's see. Let's pull down on the little plain door right here and open our first door. Okay, so we have one in there. And who is it? It's Rex. And it looks like he's holding like a water canteen right here. How cool. This is also another new one for me. So we have Rex right there. Let's see. Who else is in here? Okay, we have one in that door. And it's Mickey Mouse. So here he is right here. His little tongue sticking out. He's ready to eat his cotton candy. So that's our 2nd Minnie Mouse that we pulled today. Time to open up our last area right here. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So we also got 5 mystery packs in this one too. And this is our little collector's card. It says, "Let's go on a safari." And it features Tigger. So cute. Okay, let's keep opening these up. Who are we gonna get? Who's this? It's Tigger. It matches our little collector's card. Wow, this one's awesome. Let's set him down right there and keep opening these up. And we have Tiana. So this looks like it's young Tiana. And she has a little frog floaty right there. Looks like she's ready to go swimming. Okay, this is our last one. Who could it be? Who is that? It's Goofy. So here we have Goofy. This looks like the same one that is on the packaging. So here's our little Goofy. He's holding a flag right there. So here's a look at all of the cute Doorables that we opened today. Like I mentioned before, this is one of my favorite collections to open because I never know who I'm gonna get. And they're all different in their own unique way. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!